This video is called A Conversation with Myself. Third question, what inspired you?
I don't have a specific topic because in my life, everything is of value. My families, to my friends, to my children, to my pets, to my work, to the things that I like to do. All of those are of interest to me. Because I play Sims a lot, that what inspired me, because I was looking at new ways of playing the game. And I came across several videos where they're doing like game builds and they doing challenges and legacies, and I'm thinking, wow, they doing that and they're having fun doing it. I would love to work with doing some how-tos because I have a lot of work to do around this house. I tell you, no joke, no joke.
My fourth question, what do you think about the incident in 2020?
Let's not go there. With this new way of life that we're living right now, was unpredictable. That's why 2020 happened, because they want us to slow down and to get back to what matters the most. And right now, it's personal growth, personal health, mental, your physical, spiritual. All of these matters. Most of us deserve to take this moment to reset ourselves. Bring ourselves back to our innermost desires, and that is to have peace with ourselves.
It's about spending time with family, huh? Number 5, what do you believe we can do to improve our lives for 2021?
We have to manage and adapt to it in order to keep moving forward and progress. Focus on you, your mental health, your physical health, your family. There are a lot of things that you all could do outside of the hybrid learning and working from home that you could do together that is fun.
Okay, I totally agree.
Make time for yourself. I do every day, and I really enjoy it. Give me a peace of mind.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, you have it there. The conversation with myself. My 4-month-ago me.
Thank you, and have a great day. Bye.
My 3-month-ago me.
Have a great day, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. Bye.
And my 2 months ago me.
So back to you, and I will see you later.
I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you. Love you. So bye.
Hey guys, please like, comment, and subscribe to At It Again Media.